Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have access and privileges, so start by choosing a clear schema name and conventions. Create the schema with a Create Schema statement and assign an owner. This defines default permissions. Once done, set the character set and collation and create a dedicated role or grant existing permissions. Make sure to commit or persist settings if your DB requires it. This sets a stable foundation for tables, functions, and later migrations, so don't skip ownership and encoding choices. You now define tables inside the schema. Start with Create Table statements specifying columns, types, and primary keys. Choose types to minimize storage and preserve accuracy. Then add constraints, not null for required fields, unique for natural keys, check for simple validation, and foreign keys to enforce relationships. Once done, create necessary indexes for queries, and consider composite or partial indexes when you have selective filters. This balances write cost versus read speed and prevents performance surprise. You finish by applying privileges and validating behavior. Grant select, insert, update, delete only to roles that need them, and test with sample data that exercise constraints and joins. Once validated, create migration scripts or DDL snapshots and include rollback steps. Store them in version control. Make a backup before deploying to production and monitor performance after release. Troubleshooting tip: if constraints fail, inspect error messages, rerun failing inserts within transactions, and check foreign key and type mismatches first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.